four methods to cost inventory. They are FIFO, LIFO, specific identification, moving average. Today, we will learn about FIFO. FIFO means first in, first out. Imagine 4 boxes of merchant. The first one arrived is cost first, then the second, the third, and the last. But when should you use FIFO? When your inventory products have an expiration date, like milk, soda, meat, and some medications. Supermarkets use FIFO for the food they sell. FIFO has a series of advantages. It helps reducing obsolete inventory. It reduces the impact of inflation and ensures that the cost of the inventory reflects the current market prices. Thanks.